Finally, my moment to unbox the Magnus RLC Porsche 964. This highly anticipated casting was sold out within 10 minutes on the RLC sales day. And today, instead of just unboxing, I shall do a manufacturer comparison with the TLV Porsche 912. This RLC casting is very well presented. Both logos are prominently displayed on the left and right corners. And wow, this 964 looks great on close-up. That comes along with the Magnus mini figurine. To my surprise, Mattel used this killer elastic band again. In my opinion, the elastic band on this casting is not recommended, especially for the Southeast Asia region which are warm and humid. Over time, this elastic band will melt and damage the paint job. I have seen this happen to the retired Japan Convention Hot Wheels, and it's really painful to look. This 164 Magnus figurine is fixed to the base. And let's do a figurine comparison with other makers such as the TLV. They look great, but two things for the Magnus mini figurine. First, Mattel shouldn't have painted the eyes. I think the eyes really compromise the look. Second, it should be in matte clear coat rather than gloss for added realism. How about comparing with the green light? Obviously, the Hot Wheels looks better. Green light proportions are much smaller, and you can see they try to attach the figurine to the base as compared with the Hot Wheels and TLV. Now I will remove the elastic band and chuck it to the bin for good. I can't help myself to open the rear lid, and here you are, the gorgeous and highly detailed rear engine. The body finishing is a winner. It comes in light gunmetal with reflective finish. The wheel set is also a winner. I think it's first appeared in this Porsche 964. Just like the majority of Hot Wheels, the rest are mostly painted. This Porsche 964 is a very good call by Hot Wheels. Immediately it's going to join the rank of the Ford Raptor, the Mustang Boss, and the 67 Camaro casting, which I'm glad is not another Datsun. How about comparing the RLC casting with the TLV Porsche 912? Although both casting claims to be in 164, Hot Wheels is much larger than the TLV. I guess every maker has their own definition of 164. Unlike Hot Wheels, one thing about TLV, they are always on the safe side. Their motto is replicating actual car on the road into 164 in every aspect. The reflective finish on the Hot Wheels looks more appealing, and it also comes with the side mirror that the TLV does not have. In contrast, TLV adds the details on the wiper, which Hot Wheels doesn't have. On the headlights, TLV is the winner. I don't understand why Hot Wheels still have painted headlights even for this RLC casting. Maybe Mattel is going to use the mold for other casting in different categories, but I feel that for this particular RLC premium casting, it should have a mold of its own, with added plastic headlights and trimming, just like the TLV. On the rear, although Hot Wheels seems to have more details as compared with the TLV, TLV looks more realistic as compared with Hot Wheels, which are just painted. Unlike the Hot Wheels, TLV tried to play safe without any opening parts, not to compromise its realism. Hot Wheels did a very good job on this casting in terms of finishing and functionality. So which maker does the Porsche casting better, the Hot Wheels or the TLV? I'd love to hear your comments below. Thanks everyone, bye!